Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your Steam account name. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Steam, click on this profile name, and now you just need to select edit profile. Now under the general you can able to see profile name. You can change over here. You can type your real name and custom URL. Your profile will be available at this URL. You can share this with your friends to find a profile, and after changing the profile name you just need to scroll down to the bottom and select save for save changes after doing it. And that's how you change your Steam account name, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.